Hi, this is Mark Gupp with Keller Williams Realty, and I'm standing in front of my new listing at 54 Mitchell Road in South Portland, right in the heart of Meetinghouse Hill. And it is an 1840s Cape style farmhouse, and it is situated on a very large yard, goes from that stone wall on that side all the way to the wooden fence right past the driveway on the other. So let's go in and take a look. So I'm going to come in through the side door here, and as I head right to the right, you've got, this is your little hallway to hang your coats. In the front, this space, it's a four-season porch. This used to be their grandkids' toy room, and it's totally empty now, but a great hangout space. You've got these little doors here. Someone could make this a good little sleeping porch if they wanted. This is the family room over here. You've got some bookshelves, and we'll go out back later on, but this does lead to a nice deck. And in the center of the house, you've got your kitchen, and this is a nice cozy eat-in kitchen. Your laundry room is right off the kitchen. And as we walk through, you've got your dining room space here. And there's a 3/4 bath, it's a stand-up shower, toilet. Not fancy. This house is not fancy, but it's very comfortable. And room right over here. This is a home office. Could also be used as a first floor bedroom if someone would want. And we have the formal living room at this end of the house. Got your fireplace, your built-ins. We did do a pre-inspection on this house as well. It's built in 1840. It's not new construction. You're going to have your little quirks. So why don't we head up to the second floor and we'll check out the bedrooms up there. So at the top of the steps, we've got one bedroom over here. Got some storage under the eaves there. In the hallway, you have there's a full bath here. Got some good size closet space right outside the bathroom in the hallway. And we have another bedroom up here. And you will see that you've got some nice wide pine flooring in here as well. Let's go check out the backyard because I think that's a really nice feature of this house as well. And as I come out to the backyard, you've got this newer deck here. And let's just take a peek. Oh my gosh, you've got one house, two house, three house, four houses behind you. This is a huge, huge yard. If someone is looking to build a lap pool, that would be really nice. Maybe a chip and putt, that'd be nice. Just a really great garden space, that'd be nice. We also have a one-car detached garage over here. And again, this will be coming on the market this week. We have done a pre-inspection, we've done a sewer line, we've done a radon test, we've had a structural engineer come. So I'm the listing agent for this property. My name is Mark Gupp. Give me a call, 207-232-6127. I would love to help you make Maine your home. Thanks for watching.